Honestly, if I were kena build a business from scratch today, I wouldn't choose something yang orang beli once in a while. I would choose something that people will always need, which is sekarang ni health lah. Kita boleh nampak people are tired everywhere, energy low, stress tinggi, hormone imbalance, hair wire, and last year kita punya statistik 54% is obese. Lepas tu more than 3 billion kerajaan spend untuk treat kidney disease. Ramai yang nak lose weight, nak feel more confident, spend on pilates, pergi join high rocks, running, and skin. Ramai lah yang start more aware about health and fitness. At the same time, our generation now tak macam dululah kan. So ramai yang sekarang umur 25, 35 dah start untuk cari peluang untuk have more flexibility of time, ada freedom, tak suka kerja dengan boss, work from home, more purpose, and cari macam work-life balance. Benda tu macam tak wujud sangat. That's why I got into health industries and specifically dalam Herbalife. I started as a student. Waktu tu saya belajar dekat UK and just macam awal tu nak kumpul duit kahwin je. So my first income is RM400. After 3 years part-time, I managed to earn RM13,000. So I decided to full swing lah, go full-time. And I have coach a lot of students, orang-orang yang muda-muda yang baru habis belajar, yang baru bekerja and nak start a family. They wanting more in life, so they give this business. So diorang bagi peluang untuk diri diorang untuk have a look at this opportunity. What I like about this platform ni kan, dia bukan pasal produk je, but the coaching, mentoring, system, training, memang tak ada alasan lah macam tak tahu nak buat ke apa kan. There's always support system untuk bantu kita grow. And one thing ramai orang tak tahu, yang Herbalife ni sebenarnya available in 95 countries. So saya study kat UK dulu, husband study kat France, we still can get our Herbalife stocks dekat sana. Another plus point adalah Herbalife ni offers 5 jenis income. So it can come from order of clients, that one is retail. And then yang paling best, dia ada wholesale profit, which is sebab benda ni makanan kan, so every month macam beras juga, bila habis orang akan reorder. So kita ada potensi untuk dapat wholesale income. And then bila kita duplicate orang yang macam kita ada peluang untuk dapat royalty. Ibaratnya buka cawangan, but you don't have to spend hundreds of thousands of ringgit untuk satu cawangan. And also akan ada bonus and Mak Hugh's bonus tahunan lah, which makes more sense to me sebab sekarang ni macam it's impossible to rely on one paycheck only. Dia dah ada family kan, ada satu jenis income sahaja. And no, this is not a get rich quick scheme, bukannya scheme cepat kaya. Still need consistency, dedication, pergi trainings, handling rejections. But if you're someone yang hungry for more, you're willing to learn, tired of living the same cycle every month, maybe what you need is just the right environment. Because sometimes one decision, one mentoring, one coaching can literally change the direction of your life. So if you want to see how this works, boleh comment next level or comment I want to join. Okay, so let me guide you and jom kita sukses sama-sama.